morning and welcome to Mike on a Bike. Today I'm going to Essex. There's the National BMW Motorcycle of America Rally. About 5,000 riders are expected. So maybe I'm leading a ride today, maybe I'm joining a ride, maybe I'm just walking around and soak it all up. What I have seen so far, it must be an incredible event, just incredible. It's too bad that Claudia, my wife, has ankle surgery. Otherwise, we probably would have spent a night there in a tent. Hope it will be a great day. And yeah, I'll see you later then.
When I went to the BMW MOA Rally in Essex, two riders wanted to join me for my ride, so I was very happy. And on this ride, I focused mainly on climbing and showing them historical sites. So we started with 3 climbs. First, the Appalachian Gap, followed by the Lincoln Gap, and then the Brandon Gap. We used the Bethel Mountain Road to cross over the bridge, had a fun lunch in Randolph, and then went through the 3 covered bridges in Northfield Falls. Our last climb was through the Notch before we split up as friends, and I returned home safe and sound. Good morning.
Registration?
I have a pass already.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
You have it on your bike?
I have it on my phone, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. More bikes joined us, at least for this path. Bethel Mountain Road. Never rode it before.
So we're walking here in the wit and grit in Randolph. We have lunch here with Brian and Lee. It's called Wit and Grit. It's in Randolph, Vermont. Cool place. Let's see how the lunch is. So far we had a great ride.
Oh yeah, beautiful ride.
Nice passes, good corners, almost no corners. A little bit of gravel, beautiful, everything is green. That's an amazing club. Second club. Love it. Look at the other one. Looks so good. This one gets a Mike on a Bike score of 3.
this section is here between Northfield Farms and Moortown. It's actually alongside a ridge. Unfortunately, it's gravel, so reduce the speed, but it's so peaceful. Really like it a lot. And my two riding buddies, Lee and Brian from Virginia, North Carolina, they enjoy it too. I think they had a very, very good day. It was so much fun riding with them. Fun people, about the same age group. And it was the right size for a group. 3 people, it's easy to overtake. You don't have to wait long. And they're both very, very strong riders. They have multiple bikes. They're actually motorcycle aficionados. That's a complete different level than what I am. So we dropped Brian. He was here on a kind of a spare bike. So he didn't feel the most comfortable on the roads. He's a big guy and some of the roads were a little bumpy. So he preferred to go back to the camp. And Lee is still with me. He wants to go through the notch. Would you feel comfortable going from here to Essex by yourself?
Yeah, if I know how to get there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because I would in the next
This one.
next town, exactly next town, I would make a right and go back home. And you have navigation?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was nice.
Yeah.
That was real nice.
Oh, good, good.
Not too short.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Okay, hey, well, it's good to meet you.
Nice meeting you too.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you too. Thanks for joining me. I'll send you photos and so on.
I'll send them back to you too.
Okay, excellent. Good, good, good. Enjoy Vermont.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you too. Really. Great to meet you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes. So this ride is coming to an end, and it probably was one of my absolute favorite rides of all time. The social aspect of riding is absolutely underrated, or at least I underestimated it. It was so much fun riding with 2 other strong riders like Brian and Lee. They were fun guys, and it was enjoyable from the moment we left. Absolutely incredible, and I wished I would have more time to spend on the rally, but I think I did the best I could. Very thankful that I'm now made it back home safe and sound, and just looking back at a very fantastic ride. So amazing. But love it. Love it, love it, love it. See you next time with Mike on a Bike.